Oh, nasa loob pa rin si John Best with 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining in the third.
Oh!
Ayan na, sabi ni Silas Mills, oras ko na ngayon. Personal fouls. So si Vic Pablo, ang pinasok ito yung matinding taktak ni Silas Mills.
Ina Raimundo na sa hello, nice to have you.
And doesn't want to happen.
At yan ang nangyari nung game number 1. Samantala, oh! Nice
Ganda naman!
Watch this move. He will go to his left, then go to the right, go back to the left, then go back to the right. What a move from Silas Mills. Kagaya nun, nabitawan pa ni Donald Williams. Oh, yan! Ganda naman nun!
Okay!
Then si Silas Mills, sabi nga ni Perry Ronquillo, I think si John Best, sabi niya, has been
Si Silas Mills leading the line attack. Pinupulabog si John Best at Noy Castillo. Silas Mills, nakasaksak pa rin. Yes!
Pinakikita niya yung kanyang strength.
puntos.
Ito na naman yung play.
Oh, hey!
Bilay. Alam mo,